This is how we at Everyworks Singapore expertly install top-quality retractable awning. Step 1. Preparation and measurement. Our team will prepare the materials and take measurements to ensure a smooth installation and a proper fit for the awning. Step 2. Installation of flashing, brackets and system. The flashing, brackets, and system will be installed using heavy-duty screws to ensure the level to prevent misalignment. This step guarantees a stable and durable installation. Step 3. Attach the chain arms. Chain arms will be attached to improve security and organization. This ensures a secure and functional space. Step 4. Final inspection and testing. The newly installed awning will be inspected to ensure all components are securely in place to ensure there are no loose parts or defects. Check out the difference before and after our retractable awning installation. Are you looking to enhance your outdoor space with a retractable awning? WhatsApp us at 824-10032.